How to log into Oculus without Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Suzanne from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your MetaQuest application right here. Now you can see various options available for you to log in, like continue with Facebook, continue with Instagram, and continue with email. At the bottom, you can also see connect to your organization. Now, if you don't want to log in with your Facebook, what you can do is you can even continue with Instagram or continue with email. In my case, I'm tapping on email right here. Now just tap on continue. Now wait for a while. Now tap on continue as your name is mentioned. Wait for a while again. Now over here you can either enable Bluetooth or you can just tap on not now and continue using your MetaQuest application. So that's all for today, and that's how you can simply log into Oculus application without using your Facebook. I hope you like this video. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.